Hello, Math 7. All right, we have two cons to go through. First one is called constant of proportionality from graphs. And as you can see from this first one, oh shoot, I think I need to do some, let me do some fun. There we go. All right, so from this one, which line, first of all, a constant of proportionality is basically on a graph, how much does something go up and how much does something go over? So we're looking for something that has a constant proportionality of 2/3. So that means when we take it from a starting point, like right here, which one of these goes up 2 and over 3? So if we go up 1, 2, and over 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, you can see when we're going up 1, 2, and over 1, 2, 3, the purple line, line C, had a constant of proportionality of 2/3. Okay. By the way, just so you know, letter B crossed nicely up here, so it actually went up 4 and over 3. And this letter A1 crossed nicely way the heck up here. So it went up 10 over 3. So that's kind of how you know. All right, next one. Let's do another one here. What is the constant of proportionality of this graph? So you'll notice that to get from here to this dot right there, it went up 1, 2, 3, and then over 1. By the way, what is 3 divided by 1? You guys should all know that. What is that? That's right, it's 3. So your answer for that would be it's 3. All right, that's how you do a constant proportionality from a graph. Next one, constant of I can't say the word. Constant of proportionality from equations. So, constant proportionality from an equation always comes from the number in front of the x. These are all constants of proportionality. All 4 of those are. The question is, which one has one that's equal to 3? So when we take the top number divided by the bottom number, which one equals 3? Well, no, that one doesn't. Nope, that one doesn't. No. Hey, this one does, so that's our answer. Next one. We need to find out what is the constant of proportionality from this equation. But if you remember right, what did I say? It always comes from the number in front of the x. That's right, it comes from right here. So yeah, it's just that simple. The constant proportionality of 2/3. Hey, we should get through these one quickly. Guys, hope you have a great one, and we will see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.